10 years back, I realized I developed a hip pain. I kept limping. When I consulted further, they told me that is the bone necrosis. Bone is rotting at around the hip area. So I'm now limited. I walk small distance. And in the nature of my profession, I'm supposed to walk maybe a whole village. My name is Jude Amuria. I come from Soroti, Amuria district. Professionally, I'm a health inspector. I do community work, sensitizing and mobilizing them on hygiene and sanitation. 10 years back, I realized I developed a hip pain. It affected me. I kept limping. When I consulted further, they told me that is the bone necrosis. So it troubled me, it made me difficult in my work operations and also running family affairs. I used to do much for my community, supporting them in hygiene promotion and sanitation. I'm now limited. I walk small distance. And in the nature of my profession, I'm supposed to walk maybe a whole village. My gratitude go to Dr. Madeo and the entire team here in this hospital for having considered me for this surgical operation. It is going to change the way I walk, the way I work, the way I do things. As the operation is done, I expect to recover quickly. Raremark Foundation, through their support, with the master cares, enabled the total hip replacement surgery for me on the left hip. Immediately after the operation, I felt relief of pain from the hip. Total hip replacement is possible, and really it gives you back fullness of life. I'm really very, very grateful that I'm back to support my community fully. The leg has been limiting me in terms of moving, checking house to house, hygiene improvements, mobilizing for immunization, HIV sensitization. So I feel I can still do it now in a much better way.